Sir, what do you think about Divine Child?
The Divine Child program, this is the second year we've been running it. It's a really, really strong program this year. We have very dedicated 11th grade students who have given their creativity and their energy and their motivation into developing really good sessions for the kids.
Okay.
So it's been a really wonderful year with a lot of enthusiasm and motivation from the students.
Great. So, what do you think the benefits are? The benefits of Divine Child, the program Divine Child. What are the benefits of it?
For an OIS student, I think the benefits are actually quite huge because basically students have to design their program. They have to decide what they want to teach. They have to decide how they're going to teach it and they need to execute it. And throughout the year, this year, they have the opportunity to plan 8 or 9 sessions, meet with their group again, and do the same 8 or 9 sessions again.
Yeah.
So it actually allows them to improve and kind of give some fine-tuning to their work.
Yeah. What are the feedbacks like? Do the children enjoy it? Do they come up to you and say, "Yeah, we enjoy it"?
Absolutely. I think not only do the Divine Child students are really, really keen to come, they feel really accepted at the school, and I think it's a place of pride for them to be involved in a school like OIS. But I also think OIS students are also have a little bit of pride also for the fact that they feel they're doing something meaningful for someone else.
Yeah.
To the shore of freedom.
So how could you say, what word did we use? Email, exactly. Sending messages is called emailing. Okay, what about you? Games. That's okay. Internet can be used for
I
entertainment.
want to draw drawing.
Okay, we'll come back on the second round. What about you?
I want to know how to put something on like a photo or video.
You know what that is called? Putting your document on the internet, it's called uploading.
Hi, Ajit.
Hi. Hi,
So, which group are you in?
The computer game.
Computer. So, what's your name?
Technomaniacs.
I mean the group's name.
Yeah, Technomaniacs.
What are you teaching in right now?
Word. Microsoft Word.
Okay, so in the past sessions, what
Yeah.
have you taught? Not like all of them
Yeah.
till now.
Not much, but like the basic IT skills like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, which will help them in the future.
Okay, so I'll ask him a question.
Yeah,
What's
sure.
his name? Shahid. Hi. I'm Shrey. So are you in the
That's why we should have a typing
computer
game,
group?
right? It's
So
good,
you
right?
enjoy it? Yes? Say yes. Yeah. So
What do you
what have you? How do you find the classes? Is it like how would you rate them from 1 to 5? How would you rate them from 1 to 5? Like,
Do you like it?
do you like it? Yeah.
Now
So
working.
what do you think about the word which he was teaching you right now? What did you learn from it?
How to type.
Okay.
How to change it different.
Oh, you can't write more than
Font
two
changing.
letters. That's how you
Okay.
write.
So you enjoy it.
Okay, you can only like
Thank you.
2 letters. So it's okay, you can put
Thank you, Ji.
Hi,
Which Divine Child group are you in?
Brotherhood, it's boys PE.
So what exactly do you all do in Brotherhood? Can you give me like a run through of what you all do every day?
Yeah.
Every Tuesday.
Yeah, they've just warmed up right now. That's what they do. They come here. We make them warm up a little, do some rounds, and then do stretching, and then regular drills about whatever skill we're touching upon that day. Like,
Okay, so what games do they play like after warming up?
oh, we just focus on football. Whatever, like we're trying to increase the skill in football.
So which group are you in?
In football.
In football. Okay. So do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
You enjoy it. Okay. So what all things did you learn in this session?
In football we learn how to pass the ball and the player taught us how to look and pass. Then where our player is there, we how to pass the football.
So which Divine Child group are you in?
We have girls PE.
Okay, so what do the girls do every Tuesday, like a routine?
Every Tuesday we try to teach them a sport that they've not previously been introduced to.
Okay.
So we have covered throw ball and football.
Okay, so you've covered 2 sports already.
Yeah.
Okay, and they're playing over there.
Yeah.
Okay, so did they always enjoy it, or they started enjoying it after some time?
At first, obviously they didn't like it because they didn't know how to play it, so they found it quite boring. But since we've taught them the basic skills, they've been actually more keen to learn how to advance themselves.
Okay, so now they finally enjoy.
Yeah, they do.
Okay, so you're the only one taking care of the entire group with so many girls. How is it?
It's hard because sometimes I have to run behind each and every one, but it's quite manageable. They're quite polite.
Music Express.
So what have you taught the children till now?
Well, we started by teaching them the basic instruments and how you understand rhythm, and now we play games and activities based on those, and we teach them to make some extra instruments.
Nice. So do they enjoy it?
At first they looked a bit lost and bored in the classes, and they were catching up to our pace. But as and when we went further and they got more casual with us, it's been fun for both.
Nice.
Oh, so which Divine Child group are you in?
Dance.
Okay, is there any name for your group?
Yeah, it's called Step Up.
Okay, so what do the kids learn every Tuesday when they come?
Dance.
Or like modern dance? Have you taught them any new techniques or?
No, just normal dance steps. I mean, they're fifth graders.
Okay, so to what kind of music?
According to their level.
Okay.
We're teaching them on march rally.
Okay, so did they always enjoy it, or they started enjoying it after some while when they caught up with you?
They always enjoyed it, but then initially they were very slow and stuff, and later they started picking up. And now they're getting used to it.
This is one of the works that we did. It's done by Shahid. We were showing them Egyptian culture, so that's why we did this one. It's a bunch of other cultures that we showed them. This is one of them. So
Yeah. So do you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yes. So what have you learned till now?
I study how to make different animals.
Animals?
Yes, animals.
Okay.
How to draw mummy.
Okay.
How to make
What about a
mask.
pharaoh? A pharaoh. It's like a mummy.
Yes.
Yeah. So you saw the Egyptian culture, right? So then you draw the mummy and the pharaoh, right? So you enjoy it.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, this is molecules. Molecules.
Hi, Shweta.
Hi.
Hi.
Shay.
So what are you teaching them?
I'm teaching them about molecules. This is part of the Divine Child High School group which have come to our school. We are the science club, and this is Abhishek and this is Dheeraj from our science club.
So what's the science club's name?
The Big Bang.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do they enjoy it?
Yeah, you can ask them. Do you enjoy it? Why?
There are many interesting things to do in science club, which we get to learn, etc.